principal at St. Isidore School. Welcome to our virtual open house. St. Isidore School is a Catholic elementary school that begins with transitional kindergarten and continues through 8th grade. Our students embark on a rigorous academic program that includes core subjects as well as Spanish, music, art, physical education, and technology. Partnering with parents, together we build a strong foundation that enriches the lives of our students far past their time at St. Isidore School. We take pride in our academic excellence and student achievements. Our faculty and staff are committed to providing the highest quality Catholic education for each student, combining deep-rooted traditions and current best instructional practices. We are dedicated to providing our students with the tools necessary to be successful in the 21st century. We are united in vision and in mission to instill a foundation of faith within our students. I'm so pleased you can join us today for our 3rd through 5th grade virtual open house. St. Isidore School opened in 1962 as a parish Catholic school. We are dedicated to educating children in the Catholic faith while providing a rigorous academic environment. We are committed to developing lifelong critical creative thinkers who actively serve the Church to enrich the community, communicate effectively, and achieve their highest academic potential. St. Isidore School is a Catholic elementary school that supports the belief that parents are the primary educators of their children. As facilitators of this process, we are committed to supporting and assisting parents in preparing their children as Catholics for life in our complex, technological, and ever-changing world. We believe that this mission must focus and maintain our children's growth toward becoming educated, ethical, caring adults. We place emphasis on academic excellence while providing opportunities for all students to extend their abilities to reason and think in creative ways, to apply what they know to the world around them, and to work together for common goals. We recognize and respect the individuality and dignity of all members of the school community. Collectively, we provide the tools needed for students to develop an awareness and application of Catholic principles, gospel values, and spiritual growth necessary to prepare them for a life of faith-filled service.
Welcome to 3rd grade. My name is Joni Gerbrick. I'm one of the 3rd grade teachers here at St. Isidore. It's been 10 years that I've been here, and it's my favorite place to be, and I know it will become one of yours. We have many special firsts in 3rd grade. We first learn cursive. We first learn and master multiplication. We do our very first reading counts quiz, and in 3rd grade, we love to read. We have many traditions that we celebrate. A very special one is our Grandparents' Day. Each February, we invite our grandparents and special guests to spend the morning with us. We do this by celebrating Mass, having a yummy breakfast, bingo, and more. It's a favorite memory for all of us that we hold in our hearts forever. We also celebrate in spring a one-room schoolhouse simulation. The children participate in a situation as if they were in the 1800s. We end this celebration with a one-room schoolhouse visit to our own Danville one-room schoolhouse. Lent is a special time for all of us, especially 3rd graders. They get to participate in the living stations of the cross. Each student will become a member of one of those stations, and our wonderful 6th graders will narrate and reflect on what is happening. It's a special memory for all of us. There's so many favorite things about 3rd grade. These are just some of them. I can't wait to see you.
Hey, I'm Mrs. Phillips, and I'm one of the 4th grade teachers here at St. Isidore School. 4th grade is a fantastic year. We continue using the Eureka Math program. We use Lucy Calkins for both our Readers and Writers Workshop programs. We focus on the 10 Commandments in religion, but the highlight of 4th grade is social studies. We learn all about California history, starting with its agriculture, looking at the Native Americans, the missions, and we end the year with the gold rush. I've been in this community for over 15 years, first as a parent and now as a member of the staff, and I can truly say this is a wonderful place for your children to be.
Hi, I'm Miss Latira, and I'm one of the 5th grade teachers here at St. Isidore School. 5th grade is a time of inquiry, collaboration, respect, and empathy. Our math curriculum pulls from the Eureka program, and we try to supplement it with small group instruction. Our language arts curriculum is based around the Lucy Calkins reading and writing workshop. For religion, our focus is on the 7 sacraments, and for history, we talk about the arrival of the Native Americans up until the Civil War. As an alumna of St. Isidore School, class 2003, I can say from personal experience that 5th grade is a special time where students are really able to grow into themselves and collaborate with one another.
My name is Tracy Schmidt, and I'm the Director of Religious Affairs. Part of my role is to partner with students, teachers, parents, and the parish to enrich the spiritual life of the school community.
Teaching, learning, and sharing the Catholic faith is an integral part of each school day. Students receive formal religious instruction founded in the teachings of the Catholic Church. All students actively participate in a variety of activities, retreats, and opportunities to explore, enrich, and engage the relationship with God, self, and others. All students participate in the faith life of the school. Students experience a wide range of liturgical experiences throughout the school year, including daily class and school prayer, weekly grade level mass, and monthly all-school mass, reconciliation prayer services, Stations of the Cross, May crowning, and more. Students learn from an early age how to minister and participate in these liturgies. Our 2nd graders prepare and receive the sacraments of reconciliation and First Holy Communion, and 5th through 8th graders have the opportunity to altar serve. As a means to build confidence, care for one another, and build friendships across the grades, St. Isidore students gather in school families, which consist of one student from grades 1st through 8 to complete activities and gather for worship. Living and practicing our faith on a daily basis is something that truly makes St. Isidore School a special place.
Specialty classes are an integral part of our St. Isidore School curriculum. Students in grades 3 through 5 have art, music, library, PE, technology, makerspace, and Spanish classes every week. These classes spark creativity and imagination for all the students.
When we enrolled at St. Isidore, we knew about the education of the whole child and it being a Catholic school first, and that's really what we were buying into. What we didn't fully anticipate was just how amazing this community would be for our entire family. And for Allison and myself and the friends we've made here have been awesome. I mean, we love all the social gatherings. The auction is my favorite night of the year. We love the fish fry, love the golf tournament. But beyond that, it's just the way that the people in this community show up for each other day in and day out, and through the highs and lows of everyday life. It's been truly remarkable and life-changing for our family. I'd encourage anyone who's new to the school. Obviously, we have a more difficult time showing up for each other in the same ways that we would have pre-COVID, but I encourage you to get involved in any way you can. This is the type of place where you will get out even more than what you put into it. But I'd encourage you to get involved and be open to meeting new friends, and I hope that your life will be changed for the better, the way ours has.
When we started St. Isidore's with my oldest, who is now a senior in high school, I jumped right in and got involved in the activities, and it was the best thing I ever did, just getting to meet all the families, the parents of the kids that my kids have moved through school with. It feels like family. Being here on campus is my favorite place to be. I get to be with our kids, and I get to be with the teachers and see the kids in action. It's amazing. The teachers care about our kids like they're their kids. Even going online at the end of last year into this year, listening to their Zoom calls, it brings tears to my eyes. The teachers are so engaging. They're keeping the kids together. They're talking. The community is still alive, even apart. And I can't wait to get back on campus.
Hi, I'm Lauren Rivera. I'm a senior at Carondelet High School, and I graduated from St. Isidore in 2017. St. Isidore provided me a great foundation for high school with its challenging academic program with speech competitions, science fairs, and history projects. St. Isidore also prepared me well for life thanks to its strong Catholic identity, its loving environment, and its commitment to service. I'm forever thankful for my time spent at St. Isidore and the solid foundation it gave me for the rest of my life.
Hi, I'm Charlie Kratis, and I graduated from St. Isidore's in 2019, and I'm a sophomore at De La Salle High School. St. Isidore's not only prepared me academically for the future, but taught me to be grounded in faith. I had such an incredible experience at St. Isidore's because they have a loving community and teachers that really want you to succeed. St. Isidore's is a very special place to me, and it was really hard for me to say goodbye. My classmates and I were able to form relationships that will last a lifetime because after 9 years, everyone truly feels like family.
Thank you so much for joining us on our virtual open house. If you have questions about applications or admissions process, please visit www.stisidore.org. You can also feel free to reach the admissions department with any other further questions. I hope to see you on campus real soon.